another update on Inglewood Stadium, the future home of the Los Angeles Rams. A couple weeks ago, I think, I took some footage. We've been having a lot of rain in the month of December here in Southern California. A little bit of footage and you'll see a lot of flooding and just a lot of wet dirt around the area of the stadium to be built, and just a little concerned all this rain we're having. Hopefully it doesn't delay the scheduled completion date of 2019 for the stadium to finally be built and Rams to move from the Coliseum. So earlier in December, there was a report. A report surfaced that the FAA was very concerned about cranes that were going to be used on the side of the stadium, and the FAA concluded that the cranes could pose some sort of hazard issue when it comes to radar being used at LAX as far as tracking flights in and out of the airport. And you may or may not know, but the area around the Forum and Inglewood Stadium is there's a continuous flight pattern of jets coming in. And the FAA was going to deny permits for these cranes to be used. However, the FAA has finally approved 2 large cranes as of December 23rd. So that's good news, and hopefully in future updates I'll get some shots of these cranes. But other than that, thank you for your continued support as far as viewing and following me on YouTube. I'm really looking forward to giving you more updates and hopefully some better visuals. And see you again. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.